Welcome to within. There is nothing outside of you that you need. The light, the clarity, the wind have always lived within. I notice something simple. Nothing is missing right now. My body doesn't lean forward. It doesn't reach. It rests. Abundance feels like rest inside my chest. Before thoughts, my body knows. My breath is deep and unforced. My belly is soft. My shoulders are not preparing for effort. There is no inner pressure saying more, faster, now. I'm not chasing abundance. I am living inside it. Abundance doesn't rush my heart. It doesn't spike my energy. It doesn't demand attention. It feels quiet, like stability, like space, like time that belongs to me. My nervous system recognizes this as safe. I notice how easily I receive now, receiving without guilt. A compliment lands without deflection. Support arrives without suspicion. Money flows without fear. I don't question why it comes. I don't apologize for having. I allow good things to stay. Life supports me. I feel how life meets my halfway. Doors open without force. People respond with ease. Resources appear when needed. Not magically, naturally. Because my body is aligned with trust. Money as environment. Money feels like part of the landscape, like electricity, like infrastructure, reliable, neutral, available. I don't dance around it. I don't dramatize it. I manage it calmly, and it stays. Abundance in the ordinary. I notice abundance in small moments. A warm water on my hands. A quiet morning. My body moving without pain. I don't skip over these. I let them register. My system learns this is normal. Identity, this is who I am. I don't become abundant. I remember that I am. I am a woman whose life supports her. I am a mother who is provided for. I am a partner who is safe to love. I am trusted with resources. This identity settles into my body. No effort. I don't need to improve this moment. I don't need to earn tomorrow. I breathe. Life is already generous with me. Today, I let one good thing fully land. I don't rush past it. I don't minimize it. I let abundance register in my body. Abundance is my natural state. 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 I am living inside it. Naturally. Like electricity. Abundance is my natural state. 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 Stay here for a moment. Let this state settle into your body. Carry it with you. Within, the light is already yours.